with another slime package. I love slime, and this one is from Monsterous Slime, and I can't wait to open it, so let's get started. There we go, got it. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh my goodness. So, they gave me their business card, and they sent this, which, is borax, for in case the slimes are a little bit sticky from delivery. Okay, so the first, I'm gonna start out with the frozen silly putty slime, which I think she said was the first one she ever made. Yeah. So, look how pretty that is. It's gorgeous. Let's open it. Okay. Guys, it's a little sticky, so we're gonna add some borax. But it is such a pretty color. So we added some more borax to it, so now it is amazing. I'm gonna take it out of the container. The glitter got a little stuck to the bottom, but that's okay. It is such a pretty blue color, and it's so stretchy, it looks like ice. Frozen was a great name to name it. Guys, this slime is amazing. I've got some little pieces sticking. This is such a pretty blue color. This slime is amazing. So let's move on to the next one. So here's what this one is. And it has silver sparkles. So there's that one. Which one to do? I'm gonna go for the unicorn shimmer. There's what it looks like. It's a clear slime with tons of sparkles. So I'm probably gonna add some borax to this one because this one looks a little bit sticky. Oh yeah, I'm gonna add some borax to this. So I'll be right back. So we got the slime all fixed up. So this slime is so cool, so I'm gonna get it out of the container to show you guys. Okay, so this slime is so glittery and cool. Guys, look, there's just like a big pile of glitter. It is amazing. This slime is so pretty. And I love the sparkles. I've never had a clear slime, so this is so cool. If you want a clear sparkly slime, I definitely recommend this one. Next is Cotton Candy Silly Putty. I am so excited to this one. Well, it's Silly Putty slime. All of them were Silly Putty slimes. This one matches my shirt. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I'm like really excited for this one. This one is amazing. It's even scented, I think. I think this one's scented. So let's get this one out. This one was not even close to as sticky as the other ones. This one reminds me that it's probably a fluffy slime. Oh my goodness. I definitely recommend this one. This one is so amazing. This one is so cool, and it's such a bright, vibrant color. Thank you so much for sending me these slimes. Their Etsy shop is Monsterous Things. Their Instagram is Monsterous Things, and so is their Facebook. You should definitely go check them out because they have amazing stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.